The Flows for the Future program exists to restore low flows within catchments in the Eastern Mount Lofty Ranges. There's currently more than 8,000 dams within the Eastern Mount Lofty Ranges. They're really important to our agricultural industry because they provide water storage. When you combine that water storage with watercourse extractions, it's actually impacting the timing and the condition of flows, which is crucial for the benefit of our environmental assets. The Flows for the Future program was implemented by undertaking extensive hydrological modelling, which helped us identify priority sites to achieve our flow outcomes in the most cost-efficient and effective way. We then worked with community groups and landholders to install low flow devices on properties.
The low flow device has had a remarkable impact on the creek in our area here. We see the water running into the creek where it wouldn't normally have water. We see that in the vegetation along the creek line and also the creatures in the creek as well.
One of the highlights of this program is the relationships we build with landholders. They've welcomed us onto their property and they teach us things about their land that we would never know from any amount of modelling. In return, they listened to what we had to say about the science and understood what we could do for the environment with just a little water. Another highlight was the innovative engineering solutions developed to pass low flows at numerous different dams and watercourses, each with their own unique challenges and landholder needs.
We've developed innovative solutions for each of the sites where low flow devices have been installed. The devices have a low visible impact and environmental impact.
The success of the Flows for the Future program wouldn't have been possible without the collaboration and partnership of water industry experts. Another key outcome of the program was facilitating landholders, the water industry and government coming together to achieve a common goal. Finally, it was great to see that by adapting our engagement strategy, learning from our other landholders, we were able to achieve a much higher uptake in a voluntary program than was previously expected and pass low flows at over 330 sites. The next step for this program is to see low flows passed in all catchments of the Eastern Mount Lofty Ranges. There's also huge potential to see the learnings of this program rolled out nationally and internationally to help improve the health of ephemeral catchments across the world.